Hi everyone. This was the exam for mostly this was highest package. I mean government salaries for entry level job or the basic RBI means central government job. This is the RBI Grade B job notification for 2020 for 2026, and this test will be like two rounds and with the interview. You can see the RBI Grade B in English pattern and phase 1, phase 2 and interview. The age limit will be like 21 to 30 years. The basic pay was 78,000 per month, and allowances everything will be under 1 lakh 26. And for in group, I mean grade B also there is two sections like uh, protocol or something. I will show that 1 lakh 23,000 for one role and 1 lakh 58,000 and something. This was another role, and you can see like the exam date application date started in February 6th, I think, and you need to pay 850 OC and OBC general category. You need to pay 850 rupees plus GST, and for remaining ST, SC, and PWD and X categories, you need to pay 100 plus GST and 180 about 180 rupees. And you can see that age limit relaxation, gender. I mean, they need to have bachelor degree 60%, and post graduation degree they need to have 55%. They must be citizen of India or Nepal or Bhutan. Number of attempts 6 for general and DWSC. Remaining they have no limit, and minimum like this I said that group. I mean RBI grade B. They have two general and DEPR. This is protocol I think, and DASM. This for statistics. And for DR for general, like they need to have 60% of and 50% and PG 54%, and full time 3 years for after 12, and recognition final examination membership Institute of Chartered Account, full time course of 2 years of graduation post graduation. For this role, you need to have master degree in economics or econometrics or quantitative or mathematical. According to your eligible criteria, you need to apply. See, for this role, DISM, master degree in statistics or master degree in mathematical and information, IIT Kharagpur or IIT Bombay with 55% of marks they need. And you can see post graduation degree in IIM Calcutta or IIT Kharagpur. Also, age category I mentioned before, it was 21 to 30 years of age category. There will be like extra age for remaining, I mean, X military or X category. They have extra age relaxation. There is no specific attempt of DSM, but candidates must be. Um, you can see the list of vacancies. So 83, 17, and total 120 vacancies. And the prelim, there will be like I said before it also prelims, mains, and interview. In prelims, you have 200 questions, 200 minutes, 200 questions, 200 marks, and 120 minutes, almost 2 hours. And if you in this section you have negative marking, 1 by 4, that means 0.25 of negative marking if you keep any wrong answers. Mm, Mostly the exam will be in Hindi and English. Uh, Descriptive type, I think English language, finance, business, in the main exam it will be like objective and descriptive type, 50% objective, 50% descriptive, economics and social issues, 100 marks, 120 minutes, English also same, only descriptive type, 3 questions, essay, comprehension, letter writing, 90 minutes, and finance and management paper, it will be 100 marks, 120 minutes. Marking scheme, you can see general awareness, reasonability, English language, quantitative. This was 2025 pattern, and see the salary was high for this role because 78,450 rupees was the starting salary and the potential of growth to 1.5 lakhs, and the phase 1 online and preliminary exam with objective type questions and use it to shortlist the candidate. Phase 2 the marks is not count, I mean This phase 1 and phase 2 marks are not shortlist for candidate marks not counted in the final selection, but phase 2 marks was the count for the final section. It was offline MCQ and descriptive test. You need to paper test, I think so. And main exam in both, like interview, there will be like face to face interview, and you need to have best score. So you'll get this. You can see this basic pay, very I mean special allowances, grade allowances. It's depend upon your performance, and like it will be like banking, house, everything. Almost within 15 to 16, your salary will be like 1.5 lakh above. And you can see the syllabus or syllabus of this. You can check rbi.org.in. And mostly for every government exam, you need to have competitive aptitude and reasoning, English, and general awareness for any central government exam. It was mandatory, but in descriptive type, you need to learn about social issues and economics for some roles. See, about 200 questions, 200 questions, 200 marks, 220 minutes. Same, you need to have English language, general awareness, quantitative aptitude, reasoning, and grade B like phase 2 examination, like mains pattern, like you can choose like mains, descriptive and objective. For English, you need to have only descriptive type. You need to have three questions. You need to write and submit. For RBI grade B exam pattern, I have said right. Objective type, economics, English, aggregation of paper quality, like everything. Interview carries 75 marks, plays a crucial role of final section, and you need to have give based from you in interview, so you will be qualified for this role. See, every time they will show this one only. You can check the official website, and you'll get like social issues, finance, everything. And see the puzzles, reading comprehensions. First round will be like limited time. You have to give. You need to don't waste your time in one question. Don't stay in one question. You need to submit fastly because 120 minutes, 200 questions, almost 45 seconds for a question, I think. You need to be fast, and you need, but some questions are simple, but some questions takes time, but you need to don't overspend time there. You need to see the system and syllabus in different websites. You need to check and learn the topics, everything, how the previous papers, everything you need to check and you need to learn. And you need to, while applying also, you need to check properly uh, according to your degrees or skills. You need to apply for these papers, because for some DISM or DR roles, the pattern will be different. Because see, you can see this DR post, there will be prelims, mains, and interview, but this DEPR and DISM is a special post. They have the IT Kharagpur, IT Bombay. They need to have degrees from there. So they have only written test. It will be like online or offline. Again, after that, if you qualify for that test, you will be like have an interview. They will check there. Now they will give you a score. According to the score, you will have, see. I have mentioned before this 0.25 for incorrect answer. Same, there is two phases of scores plus interview. For this is general category, and you need to go directly here like IBPS in, and you need to give basic information about yourself. Like you need to submit your documents, like fingerprint, image, photo, signature, thumb impression, and declaration. Everything should be neat and clear. And they, if you before March 8th, no, February 26th was the last date for this exam. You need to apply before February 26th, and today was 18th, almost 8 days more. You need to edit, everything must be completed before February 26th. Advance congratulations, or You must write properly. All the best for your examination. Apply, attempt, get to join. This was the best opportunity and best central government exam. Thank you for this. I will give this link of this examination link in description and first comment. I will pin the comment. You can click and you will apply. Don't forget, have a proper documentation of everything before applying, because don't apply half of, because it takes lot of time. You need to submit proper documentation, and you have proper registration ID and password, email, everything should be proper. You need to check daily. You need to check your spam mails and proper mails for the application, and keep the printed is receipt, so it will be helpful. Thank you.